It's Funky Friday. That means we're getting down and dirty and gritty with the groove. Today we're going to be rocking some Talking in Your Sleep by The Romantics, so check it out. Also, Star Wars Mom. Okay, now check it out. Hey everyone, thanks so much for checking out this video. A few months ago, I started this series on Instagram called the Funky Friday series, and my hope is that if it gains traction, we can kind of have little contests or whatever on like which tunes you guys really think were really fun and would you like to see like in a full video or whatever. I think that'd be a really cool thing to do. But I wanted to take you behind the scenes of like how I go about doing this type of thing. So I have the session loaded up here in Logic Pro, and I'm just going to be kind of putting together some ideas and thinking about some things of what I want to do musically. For recording vocals, I'll be using the blue USB mic. This mic is friggin' bomb, man. I love this mic. I don't use it necessarily for like my pro recordings that I might put out, but it is right up there. I mean, you can do a lot of really great things. It's great for podcasting. It's great for all different types of things, but I love this microphone, and it was a great gift. My wife got it for me a couple Christmases ago. Thank you so much, honey. I love you. It's great when you have people buy you things, isn't it? And you don't have to worry about buying it. Gear isn't cheap. So anyway, we're going to go and do the music thing now. So I'll see you on the other side. Hear the secrets that you keep when you are talking in your sleep. I hear the secrets that you keep when you are talking in your sleep. I hear the secrets that you keep talking in your sleep. I hear the secrets that you keep when you are talking in your sleep. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by and checking out this video on my channel. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, please consider hitting that like button, hit the subscribe button, also hitting that bell notification so you can be notified of all things happening from the Kyle Tuffer Music channel. Until I see you again, have a great day.